You know already, right? The LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional development, professional networking, and even in B2B or B2C, whatever business development it is. So now I'm going to help you one thing, which is a creator mode of LinkedIn can help you to take this superpower to the next level you can use. How to do it and why it's important for you, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you very fast, very to the point. So after this video, you'll learn how exactly all the benefit you can get by using for yourself the LinkedIn creator mode, and you'll become a pro about it. You want that right? Of course you do. Let's get started.
Sure.
So very first thing, I will show you first how to activate your LinkedIn creator mode. To do this one first, I'm going to go to my profile. So when you are in the profile, what you do is you're going to scroll it down, and then this is the section you see the resources. So this is the thing I can see this one, my creator mode is already on. If it's not on, it will show off. So first thing is you need to turn on the creator mode. So how to do this one, let's click all the resources, or you can click the creator mode, and then you can see this in creator mode here. You can click that one, and immediately you will see there's a button, turn off the creator mode. If you are already off, it will show a button here, turn on the creator mode, and you click that one and it will be turned on. Bingo. So now this is how you learn how to do creator mode. But now I'll show you what the different benefits you can have from the creator mode. First of all, this all analytics is at one place, but normally you always can see it on the top of your profile right now where it is. Normally it's already available on the top. So I'm going to open up my profile here. I'm going to show you this normally now in the top of the profile, now not in the middle section anymore like before. Let me just update this one in the top side. So now what you're going to do it, this is here, but the beautiful part is now when you own the creator mode, then you're able to add all these different hashtags. So pick up the 5 most relevant hashtag which is related to your industry and your interest and your career. So 5 of them only can. So it's very simple. So just let me remove, and you can click this one and you can type in all the related topics you are into. So for me, I'm talk about digital transformation, I talk about leadership development, I talk about business transformation, I talk about workforce transformation, I talk about human resource. So these are my 5 key hashtags I put it on. So when I put all these hashtags, what happened, the magical thing happened, it comes straight to my profile, and you can see that right after my names and my key lines, all the hashtag is included. So now LinkedIn already know what exactly hashtags I'm interested to learn about. So LinkedIn will pop up, or the other people who are looking for this hashtag will be able to send my profile to them as well. So we have a better chance to connecting with each other and having a meaningful and productive discussion forward as well too. So that's why the hashtag is so powerful. And now you can see already the next 5 thing. As soon as I turn on the creator mode, now a LinkedIn Live is available, audio event is available, newsletter is available, follow up. So newsletter and audio and LinkedIn Live is a really powerful one because it's really help us to communicate with our audience and providing value to our audience too. So LinkedIn Live, you can turn on the LinkedIn Live and basically go live immediately, and it will be going on, all the notifications will be sent to all the different connections who are already into it. So that's why LinkedIn Live is a very powerful one. Newsletter is another very powerful one as well. I'll show you how to have done the newsletter. So you can see, so as soon as I create a newsletter, then it is allow me to come in and create a newsletter here. And you can see it's already been posted here, which I do it as a workforce innovation. So here we go. You can able to see all these different episodes coming into it. So where I provide valuable informations to our audience. So if you are interested in our workforce innovations, and if you are aiming to build your team to better team, or if you're a human resource professional, this is an excellent resource for you to check it out. So I'm going to put the description of my workforce innovation newsletter in the description of this video. Go check it out and get subscribed. So moving forward, you'll be able to receive those notifications of every episodes we're publishing as well too. The last one is 8 type of CS0 and their opportunities in 2023. Let's come back. So that's the newsletter functionality available. Maybe I will make another video how to make a newsletter in LinkedIn as well too. So stay with me, that will coming as well. And here's another one, the follow link. So by default in our profile, what happened is we normally have a ad option. So right now LinkedIn, as soon as I turn it on, it will be turned into an ad button to a follow button, so people are able to see it. But if somebody wanted to still add, they can also add me as well. All you need to do is just to click add more, and there will be a section. So let me find out something who has such kind of thing, and you will be able to do it. And it's actually very simple. So now I will show you, he has his creator mode on already. So now when his creator mode add on already, so it's looking like it's a follow button. There's no add button. So I can click to him and I can get followed with him. And what I can also do it is about, if I want to add him in my connection, what I can do, I can click the more, and I can actually connect him as well. So I'm gonna what I do, if I write it down in notes to, if I wanted to send it to him as well. He's a CFO, investor, and podcast hoster. So I can just simply let add him as well too. So what I can do, I can connect, add notes. So I just put on a quick description and then notes, and then I send to him. And that's exactly how. So as soon I turn on my creator mode, immediately my add button turned into the follow-up, and it's exactly how people can follow me and also add me as well too if they want to do. So now this is the key functionalities here. But now there's a few more magic things is available in this one. Let's get into it. So let's get out before. So this is my network. I can always access my network as well too, even with the non-creator mode too. But this is like a one place I can see all of it. Personal demographic information, not that really valuable. Activity, I can always see all the activity too as well, without even turning on, because it has a whole section in my profile to see my activity. So what is the value? The value is actually to turn on my items here. So when I click on this one, and I can see all the different my items as well. So it shows all the different posted jobs. I put it on, it's the one places, and I can see all those different drafts and open positions I've been recruiting or applying for. And also I have my learning, different kind of programs I take to learn from the LinkedIn. I will to see it here from as well too. And at the same time, the biggest incentivized features is this one, save post and article. So I will show you how amazing it is, so you will be able to make the best out of it. So now let's go to homepage. So let's say during the time we're in the phone or in the laptop, it doesn't matter. It works in both places like a champ. So let's say I've been scrolling it through and I realize this one, I find out, like an example, an article. Let's say a post on article. Let's say this image, this post I really like, internet photos, right? And I wanted to go and probably want to reuse into it. I want to revisit as well in the future, but I don't have the time for right now and to look into it. So I want to look at later, or what I want to do is I want to save it so I will be able to read it again in the future. So what I can do in the top right corner, click it here and I press save. Bingo. As soon as I save this on, it automatically will be appearing in my save items here. So it's appearing my saved items. So what I need to do, I just refresh into it, and immediately I will be seeing this internet, this post got set here. So now this way I can keep stacking during my quick scroll time, key articles, post. I can just put in the save, bring it here, and I will be able to read it again. And if I wanted to move it out, so I can just click here in the top right corner and unsave that I want to. Like an example, I have done with this one, I want to do it, so I just click unsave and it will be removed from here too. And that's exactly how it's a great way to make sure that I can always revisit my save item, can quickly save into it, look into it later, and remove it when I'm done with this one too. So this is the magic of creator mode turning on too. So here we go. Now you are pro about creator modes, and go ahead and turn on your creator modes too in LinkedIn, and you will be able to get this additional all those features for yourself, so you can make the best out of LinkedIn too. And if you have any problems to do this one, go ahead and comment below in this video. I will be always helping you to answer your question too. If you have any particular advice or trick you find out, go ahead and click it as well too, and that would be great. By the way, LinkedIn is an amazing tool for building networks, and you probably want to think about how to build great networks in LinkedIn. For this one, go ahead and check this video. I made this video a while ago, but still very powerful to make a great LinkedIn network as too. So go ahead and click right now, and I will see you there. We have some exciting plan for the next week, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that out.